A great way to get a head start on the planting season is to start plants from seeds indoors. To accelerate that process, you can make a cloche or a mini greenhouse out of a plastic soda bottle. Start by taking a soda bottle and with a utility knife, cut off the top half of the bottle and save the top. That's important to leave the screw on top in place. Then you simply plant your seeds as you normally would, a little bit of soil, put the seeds in. These are some vegetables we're going to be planting in the garden eventually, very soon I hope. And then add a little water, just as you normally would. Not too much, just enough to get them started. And then take the top half of the bottle to form that little mini greenhouse and set it right on top. Now put it in a nice sunny window. What happens is the top of the bottle will trap the heat and the moisture, get those seeds started really quickly. And then if it gets too hot, you can always just twist off the cap and let some of that heat escape at night. Of course, you want to put it back on to protect them. And the great thing about this is the bottles come in various sizes, so no matter what size pot you have, you can always find a bottle to fit.